What's up, YouTube? So it's your boy 410 Auto Tech. We're going to do a quick replacement on an alternator on a Dodge Nitro. I will throw up all the information down in the description or in the title. Step 1 was disconnect the negative cable. Step 2 was disconnecting the washer connector, electrical connector. I had a one here and a Torx here, two Torx. There were T25s. Disconnected both of them and just raised the coolant jug reservoir and the washer fluid reservoir. Next step, if you can tell down here, there is a ground cable that I'm going to remove. After that, I believe I'm going to find the tensioner, which is down here. So right here, the alternator itself has a ground cable. Take that off. From there, we're going to look down here. And there is a tensioner. I'm going to have to push on there to get the slip knot off. The electric connector right here has to come off. These two tabs squeeze, pulls off, and it looks like it is probably a 13. So. Alright, now that we have everything removed, all that's left is to lift it out. There it is, it's out. It literally takes maybe 10 minutes. If you're not filming and you know exactly what you're doing, probably 30 minutes tops to get it out. Alright, that one, this first bolt started in. Lift this up a little bit. Starting in well. And a 15 wrench and a 13 socket. That's tight. So as you're pulling down on the tensioner, you can grab the belt. Slip it right back on. The alternator is fully installed. Connector, electrical connector, power cable, all 3 bolts with the ground wire straps on. Just double checking everything. I'm gonna go back over, tighten everything by hand. The belt's on, and I made sure that's all on all of its pulleys. Now the next thing is just lower this back down and put the Torx back in and reconnect the washer pump, and then we should be good. Reconnect the electrical connector, a Torx here, and a Torx there. There you go, we're all done. Well, forgot a step, put that negative cable back on and you can start the car. Alright, I'm in here. Starts up. Starts up. No lights on the dash. It's a good sign besides the tire lights. I'm gonna put some air in the tire. We should be good. Well, there you guys have it. That's how you install an alternator on a Dodge Nitro.